Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix Bangkok mobile banking app not working. So firstly, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, tap on the search option at the bottom right corner. Go to the search bar and then simply search for Bangkok mobile banking app. From here, tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the app is updated to its latest version. Once the app has been updated, there will be fixation of bug issues and app errors. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Now scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. Now from here you could directly search for Bangkok Bank. Once you come to app info page, scroll down below and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right corner you'll see the option of clear cache. If you tap on it, you will be able to fix your issues in the application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.